This is the big question facing humanity today. Will AI make the rich richer and most people poorer? Well, the godfather of AI himself, Geoffrey Hinton, says yes. Capitalism will funnel AI's gains to a small elite while leaving the majority of people worse off. And he should know. Hinton is a computer scientist who has been called the godfather of AI for his pioneering work in the field. He's also one of the most prolific AI researchers ever, and he's won every major award in his field, including the Turing Award, which is considered the Nobel Prize of computer science. So what does Hinton see as the biggest danger of AI? He doesn't point to autonomous weapons or the erosion of privacy or the concentration of power in the hands of a few tech giants. Instead, he argues that the real danger is capitalism. In a recent interview, he said, "I think the big problem with AI is that it's a tool that will be used to make the rich richer and the poor poorer. It's basically a way of taking a small amount of work done by a very large number of people and doing it with a much smaller number of people. And I think that is going to lead to huge problems." How so? Well, AI is replacing workers faster than it's creating new roles. That means mass unemployment is looming. But even if some new jobs are created, those will go to the highly skilled. Most people will be left behind. According to a recent study, AI is already replacing 800 million jobs. That's 13% of the global workforce. And by 2030, AI could automate 1.6 billion jobs, nearly half of all jobs worldwide. Hinton believes that the wealthy will capture the upside of AI in two ways. First, through increased productivity. AI can do many tasks faster and more efficiently than humans, so companies will become more productive and profitable. Second, through cost cutting. AI is a cheaper alternative to human labor, so companies will cut costs by replacing workers with machines. What's worse, these gains will flow to shareholders, mostly the wealthy, while the rest of us will bear the brunt of mass unemployment. As Hinton himself said, "I think we're kind of heading into an era where there will be a lot of people who do have jobs and they won't be able to find jobs. And that's not going to be good for society. I think we need to be thinking about how to deal with that. You don't need a UBI," he argues, "but you do need a J guarantee. A job guarantee is a policy that guarantees everyone a job who wants one. It's not enough," he says, "to throw money at the problem. You need to ensure that people have access to good jobs with good pay. Otherwise, you won't be able to preserve their dignity." Hinton is calling for urgent regulation of AI before it's too late. He said, "We've let the genie out of the bottle. And I think we've lost control of what is happening with AI now. I think it's too late to stop it. It's too late to turn it around. But we can make it go in a better direction if we put some really strong constraints on what these companies can do with the technology. So who will get the upside of AI? Society or shareholders? I think we all know the answer. The real danger of AI isn't the technology itself, but what it will do to our societies, our economies, and our lives. It will bring untold benefits, yes, but also massive disruption and upheaval. The challenge is to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all and the risks and costs are borne by those who reap the benefits. Are you up for the challenge? I hope so. The future of humanity depends on it.